English lessons with Kiara's dialogues.
There's so many genres that I have not explored.
Genres, meaning types or categories of art, music, movies, or books based on similar style or subject. Example, action and comedy are my favorite movie genres. I love exciting scenes and funny moments.
I'm like so charged up.
Charged up, meaning feeling very excited, energetic, or emotional about something. Example, he was all charged up before the big match, ready to give his best performance.
I know that weird feeling that some mama is
Weird, meaning strange, unusual, or different from what is normal or expected. Example, that movie was so weird, I didn't understand anything that was happening.
Let's see, you made someone's day, and I'm like,
Made someone's day, meaning did something that made someone very happy or improved their mood. Example, your sweet message really made my day. I was feeling low before that.
I hope success does make you more conservative.
Conservative, meaning prefers traditional ideas, avoids big changes, or careful about spending or behavior. Example, my uncle is conservative. He doesn't like trying new technology or changing old habits.
That is true. I have had the guts to take that up today.
Guts, meaning courage or bravery to do something difficult, risky, or scary. Example, she had the guts to speak in front of a big crowd without fear.
I'm trying to be as raw and as
Raw, meaning in natural or unprocessed state, also means strong, real emotions or talent. Example, she showed raw emotion during her speech, and everyone felt her pain.
marriage. Ambition has come into my life.
Ambition, meaning a strong desire to achieve something or become successful. Example, his ambition is to become a doctor and help people in poor villages.
Easy-going, happy-go-lucky person. Things have come.
Happy-go-lucky, meaning cheerful, carefree, and not worrying much about problems or the future. Example, she's a happy-go-lucky person who always smiles, even during tough times.
I wish more that there's so much more potential that's not even tapped.
Tapped, meaning used to access something, like a resource, skill, or idea. Example, he tapped his creativity to design a unique logo for the company.
Very instinctive.
Instinctive, meaning done naturally, without thinking, based on a feeling or instinct. Example, her instinctive reaction was to help the child who had fallen down.
Coming from this young, bright future, electrifying, girl.
Electrifying, meaning extremely exciting, thrilling, or full of energy. Example, the singer's electrifying performance had the whole crowd cheering and dancing wildly.
Her trauma. And then
Trauma, meaning deep emotional or physical pain caused by a very upsetting or harmful experience. Example, after the accident, he needed therapy to heal from the emotional trauma.
take it out and be liberated in that one scene.
Liberated, meaning feeling free from restrictions, control, or limitations, mentally, emotionally, or physically. Example, she felt liberated after quitting her stressful job and starting her own business.
I felt like these were roles that they were no-brainers when I read them out.
No-brainer, meaning a very easy decision or obvious choice that requires little or no thinking. Example, choosing the cheaper and better phone was a no-brainer for him.
It's like I'd also love to do the glam stuff.
Glam stuff, meaning fancy, stylish, or attractive things related to fashion, beauty, or luxury. Example, she loves all the glam stuff like designer dresses, makeup, and shiny jewelry.
It's a lot of hard work. Like, hats off to the men and women who pull it.
Hats off, meaning a way to show respect, admiration, or praise for someone's achievement. Example, hats off to the team for finishing the project ahead of schedule.
To get content and commerce and blend those two. And I would hope.
Blend, meaning to mix different things smoothly together to make one combined result. Example, she blended fruits and yogurt to make a tasty smoothie.
To probably take like a 6-month sabbatical. Not sabbatical, but find that time.
Sabbatical, meaning a break from work, usually for rest, travel, or study, often lasting months. Example, he took a 6-month sabbatical to travel and recharge before starting a new job.
Time where we get into the skin of the character.
Skin of the character, meaning fully understanding and becoming the role or emotions of a character. Example, the actor got into the skin of the character and performed with deep emotion.
You've got to keep brushing up your skills.
Brushing up, meaning improving or refreshing your skills or knowledge that you learned before. Example, she is brushing up her English skills before the big exam next month.
He said you need to find your trigger and you can't.
Find your trigger, meaning identify what causes a strong emotional reaction, like anger, stress, or sadness. Example, in therapy, he tried to find his trigger for sudden anxiety attacks.
I just became very switch on, switch off about it. I didn't.
Switch on, switch off, meaning to start or stop something, especially focus, emotions, or devices. Example, she can easily switch on confidence before interviews and switch off stress afterward.
Connect with the core of what my character has.
Core, meaning the central, most important part of something. Example, honesty is at the core of a strong and lasting friendship.
Like it still chokes you, and how? I'm like, okay.
Chokes, meaning struggles to breathe or speak, often because something is blocking the throat or nerves. Example, he chokes on stage whenever he has to speak in front of a crowd.
But there are hardships.
Hardships, meaning difficult or painful situations in life, often involving struggle, suffering, or lack of basic needs. Example, they faced many hardships during the flood but never gave up hope.
It's not easy. I would also have been chilling, lazy, little hunched, all that, but the camera.
Hunched, meaning bent forward with shoulders down, usually due to cold, tiredness, or bad posture. Example, he sat hunched over his desk, working late into the night.
The job, it's a perk. It's
Perk, meaning a special benefit or extra advantage, especially from a job. Example, one great perk of my job is free lunch every day at the office.
Which are hereditary brands, which you've grown.
Hereditary, meaning passed from parents to children through genes, often referring to traits or diseases. Example, baldness is often a hereditary condition that runs in families.
People troll you for very ridiculous things, but on the other hand,
Ridiculous, meaning very silly, unreasonable, or hard to believe, often makes people laugh or feel shocked. Example, wearing sunglasses at night looks ridiculous and makes no sense.
I remember there was a little bit of negativity that really got to me, and
Got to me, meaning affected me emotionally, usually in a strong or upsetting way. Example, his sad story really got to me. I couldn't stop thinking about it.
I didn't like, shit has hit the roof right now.
Shit has hit the roof, meaning a situation suddenly became very bad, chaotic, or full of problems. Example, when the manager found out about the mistake, shit hit the roof in the office.
Who's got so much wisdom and maturity and focus on the
Wisdom, meaning the ability to make good decisions based on knowledge, experience, and understanding. Example, grandparents often share wisdom that helps us make better choices in life.
positives if you want to be a sane person in this industry for much more.
Sane person, meaning someone who thinks clearly, behaves normally, and makes reasonable decisions. Example, after a stressful day, she stayed calm and acted like a sane person.
I think his palate is
Palate, meaning the roof of the mouth or a person's ability to taste and enjoy flavors. Example, he has a refined palate and loves trying different kinds of cheeses and wines.
And my dad nudged me, he pushed me, he said.
Nudged, meaning gently pushed someone or something to get attention or encourage action. Example, she nudged him during the meeting to remind him to speak up.
Property, and I was a little skeptical. I said no then.
Skeptical, meaning doubting or not easily believing something without strong proof or evidence. Example, she was skeptical about the new diet because it sounded too good to be true.
And this is just a stepping stone. There'll be, especially in
Stepping stone, meaning a small step or event that helps you progress toward a bigger goal. Example, getting an internship was a stepping stone to her dream job in marketing.
Mumbai, where the prices are like skyrocketing, there's a
Skyrocketing, meaning increasing very quickly and suddenly, especially prices, numbers, or levels. Example, the price of fuel is skyrocketing due to high demand and low supply.
There's a male counterpart who will help us out.
Counterpart, meaning a person or thing that has the same job or function in a different place or group. Example, the manager met with her counterpart from the other branch to discuss the project.
My fingers are crossed. I really hope that it's
Fingers crossed, meaning hoping for good luck or a positive outcome. Example, I have an important exam tomorrow. Fingers crossed I do well.
but I'll stay tight-lipped for now. Like
Tight-lipped, meaning keeping a secret or not willing to talk about something. Example, she was tight-lipped about the surprise party to keep it a secret.
audience like me who sucker for romance.
Sucker, meaning someone who is easily tricked, fooled, or easily believes something. Example, he's a sucker for sales and often buys things he doesn't need.
Whereas Preeti from a submissive girl to
Submissive girl, meaning a girl who is willing to agree with others and not argue or resist. Example, she was submissive in class, always listening quietly and following the teacher's instructions.
a woman diametrically different from each other. Why?
Diametrically different, meaning completely opposite or totally unlike in every way. Example, their opinions on marriage are diametrically different, one believes in it, the other doesn't.